Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Columbia hiking shoes. So I've got them on Amazon. I've got few versions, so I can doing unboxing of the same shoes like last time, but this time I'm doing different color. I will keep just few of them. I'm not sure if I keep all. This one is also Newton Reach Plus Women's, Columbia Women's Newton Reach Plus, and size is 10 in wide. And let's open them. Ta-da! So here we are. So they are like brown version. And I wanna show you just how brown version looks like, because maybe you wanna get brown. So here we are. They are very cute. This sole looks like this. You have those sticking parts, and here I think it's called Omni Grip, and they are very lightweight and they made from waterproof leather. Here it says waterproof, and here it says Columbia, and they have laces are little like 2-color laces, and the tongue looks like this. It's kind of black in this color version, and the shoes are brown. And what else I can tell you? But looks like this. Very cute. I really enjoy how they looks. So I like this kind of look for shoes. They remind me of Reebok princess style sneakers. Yeah. They are so lightweight that they can be also worn not just as hiking boots, but also in winter or spring, summer, for other purpose, like walking outside with dog, or some walking outside like trails, or walking errands, going to store even. I will try them on. So guys, I put you here right now. So these ones are 10, but they are in wide, so it's, I can tell that they are a little wider than others. And actually that's good too, although I don't think I will need a wider option, but I got wide because we were cheaper, that's why. Yeah. That's why I've got wide. And let's tie them. And here they are. So they look like this. Can you see them? Like so. Yeah, these ones feel like they have plenty of space, so these ones can be worn for even like walking in thicker socks. Very nice. And this is how they look from top. Wow, I feel really like one size bigger, to be honest. But they are made that way that you don't feel it too much, and they too big and still feel like it's comfortable. that it's fine. Yeah, so I don't know yet if to keep these ones or return. I might keep them because I really like shoes, hiking shoes. And they are really cute. And as you can see, they are well made from waterproof leather, and I think it's worth to buy such pair because other companies are more expensive, right? And then when something happens to your shoes, it's not a big deal, you can buy another pair. Although I don't think they will be destroyed like after one trip. You can safely say they will be for a few years. As I was reading reviews, and I also very positive. And what if they will be sold out and when they stop producing them, then better to get few pairs. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And I will be doing unboxings of this version of shoes and other ones, hiking Columbia shoes. I will be doing more, so stay tuned because I might do more of those versions, and then maybe I will return to, I'm not sure yet, and keep few. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.